Well, my name is Phil, and I am a duck-billed platypus. I come from phylum Chordata in class Mammalia. I have a single lower jawbone and a 3 middle ear bone. I am the only mammal species who lays eggs and then nourishes their young.
My name is Ernie and I'm a short-beaked echidna. My species can be short or long-beaked. I come from phylum Chordata and class Mammalia. I also have a lower jawbone and a 3 middle ear bone. Much like my opponent, I also lay eggs to nourish my young. I also have a 4-chambered heart.
Well, I only live in Australia and New Guinea. I live in tropical habitats in eastern Australia and spend a lot of the time in fresh water.
I live in diverse geographic areas, including deserts, meadows, and forests. I like dry land and tropical temperatures.
To get my food, I must dive underwater. I use my flexible snout to push the food from my cheek pouches to my mouth, and then I grind it with my special grinding pads. My favorite foods are aquatic insect larvae, shrimps, and worms.
For me, I enjoy ants and termites. I feed at night with the tip of my snout and use my sticky tongue because I don't have teeth because they crush the insects.
When I am on land living, I take in air through my lungs. When I go underwater, I take a deep breath so I can stay under there for as long as 6 minutes.
I breathe through the bald, tubular beaks off my body, and then the air goes to my lungs.
I excrete through my anus like other animals, mostly in the form of urine.
I also excrete through my anus.
Like I said earlier, we monotremes are the only mammals who lay eggs and then supply milk to nourish their young. I can lay 1 or 2 eggs at a time.
I lay eggs and produce milk for my young too. I develop a pouch for my eggs to develop in, and then once they hatch, they leave the pouch and they live.
Let's see. I am pretty much the average size of a household cat. I have a venomous poison that I use to defend myself when I feel threatened, and I can consume my whole body weight in food in just 1 day.
Well, I can lift objects twice my size, my lifespan is over 45 years, and I was the mascot of the Sydney Olympics in 2000.